After traveling nearly 300 million miles at warp speed, NASA's Perseverance spacecraft is closing in on its target, Mars. If all goes well, this roving space lab and the first ever Martian helicopter will touch down on the Red Planet on February 18th. But not before facing the riskiest part of the mission: a fiery entry, a harrowing high-wire act landing, and 7 long minutes of silence.
The rover will have landed or it will have crashed, and we will not know until that signal gets back.
One way or another, you're going to be on the ground in 7 minutes.
In search of signs that life once existed here long ago.
Are we alone? I don't think so. If we find ancient life on Mars, it really changes everything.
Perseverance, Countdown to Impact.